So this is cup of travel tea, and each time, hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I'm sorry the sound is a little bit strange. It sounds like in the toilet, and I am in the toilet. I am traveling, and this is the only place that I can find a place that is quiet. It's quite a good hotel. So let's have a cup of tea and so this is cup of travel tea, and each time I go to the microwave, I will microwave a cup of hot water. Ooh, a little bit too much. And then start to brew this tea. It's been a couple of minutes, 5 minutes, something like 5 minutes. And it's the middle of the night in Las Vegas. And it's night. And so I do not want to drink any tea with caffeine or tea-in or with something that is too tonic or energizing. No, this is kind of a calming, cooling, agua exotic. Oh, we have drunk this just a couple of days ago. And I got all my tea. Give me 1 minute, I will show you. And the color is not so bright, so colorful, and it smells good. It smells very, very, very good. A little bit mango-ish, a little bit papaya, a little bit passion fruit, a little bit pineapple, a little bit piña colada, but not piña. I think piña is pineapple, colada, cocoa is cocoa. Anyway, a little bit all those tropical fruits. And let's take a look. Mélange d'hibiscus. Oh, there is hibiscus. Et de baume saveur, fruits exotic. So there is we can take a look. There is bomb apple, big apple peas, and hibiscus, and some other fruits. It's very good. Okay, later on I will take a lesson of the sound, because I closed the door, so it feels very enclosed sound, right? But I have family, and I do not want to disturb my family, and they have their life. So someone need to suffer, either you suffer or my family suffer. So obviously I will not let my family suffer, which means you have to suffer. I'm sorry, you get the idea. You try it. Still a bit too hot, but very, very, very good. Usually in the middle of the night or late at night, we should not drink too much water, but I was in Death Valley the whole day, And when I travel, now I have this travel mug, and it enclosed, then it's totally enclosed, and not a single drop of water coming out. So I have 1 cup of this fruit tea or something, and the whole day until 5 o'clock in the evening, it's still hot, not even warm. It's hot. It's still hot. It keeps hot. So, and this is kind of a travel essential that I am having. You需要用吗？
不需要。
So that is it. And when I travel, I do like this. Enclose it. I do not use tea bag at that time. I take out the tea bag, just and I screw it up and shake, 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 so that the flavor get evened out. And now I do not need to do that. So I have rooibos vanilla today. In Death Valley, I drank this. In the morning, we went to Bristol Corn, and then Manzarena, the Japanese encampment. And then we went to Death Valley, the Furnace Creek, the Zabriskie Point, Dundas View, Badwater, Borax Refinery. So this, I should drink this. Maybe tomorrow evening I will drink Lovely Night, mélange de plants et épices savoir poire. So it's a little bit pear. That sounds good. Tomorrow night. And this is almond, rooibos almond. I have tried it day 2 when we were driving out from our home. So that is from Bristol Corn, the first day, Mammoth Lake to June Lake to Maggie Creek, and we saw the Eno County, the fall foliage, and it's so very beautiful. I will show you. And I did a lot of video footage, so you will see it. And this one is only spices. I do not know if I ever drink it, because I feel it's not drinking tea, it's like drinking a meat soup. All spices. And this one is Be Cool. Yes, yesterday, or the day 1, I think I drank this Be Cool. A little bit menthe, a little bit verveine, et réglisse. Verveine is verbena, verbena, and licorice blend. quite cool down. And licorice, it's like my Ricola. Ricola has a lot of licorice. So usually at home I do not eat this, but when I travel I give myself the privilege, the treat to eat it. When I go to work, I teach, and I need to talk loud, yell. I need to talk loud. So the whole day, my throat just need to calm down, to cool down. So I eat one piece, 2 pieces together. One cherry. This is cerise, centre, liquid centre. This is a cherry, Swiss cherry. So cherry and lemon honey. Okay, let's take a look at this one. I think there is a one Bizan. Yes, a few Zen. And the other day I drank it. It's orange, caramel, bomb, and it's also very, very, very good. And this one is Agua Summer. So summer water, mélange d'hibiscus. Hibiscus is very cool down. In Chinese we call it 藏红花. Zhang, is that because it's from Tibetan? I don't know, but it's called 藏红花. It has 藏 is Tibet, 红 is red, 花 is flower. It has this very red, like blood color flower, very bright color. Fruit saveur pêche et abricot, and it's quite romantic, beautiful. And these are my iteaworld. I am just so much in love with this. These are black tea, 红茶, the English black tea, Chinese red tea, 乌龙 tea, 滇红, 东方美人, Oriental Beauty. I think this name was given quite some time ago. It's because this tea, after drinking this tea, people lose weight, or so so they respect it so much. And this name is not from a Chinese traditional name. It's the English tea company something made this because it's so slimming and so taking the grease out of the body, so cleansing. So they were thinking when you drink it, you will have the shape of Oriental Beauty. So that's called Oriental Beauty. And this is 滇红 Yunnan fermented tea. So these are the teas. Now we are cool enough for me to enjoy my tea. I think it should be sufficient for me to live through my travel. There are still 10 of them, daytime one, evening one, and sometimes in hotel has one, but this hotel tea usually not so yeah, exciting, right? That's so good. Now this is used up. I do not need to have it. 3 cups of water. That's a lot. If I can finish them. But it cleans my body and warms my stomach. It feels good. My family do not drink tea, and when we travel, I have this water. So from time to time, he has a sip of it. He likes it. I'm very happy. Yeah. This makes me feel home. Although this is far away from home, but makes me feel home. Bye friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.